Hello CS-50, my name is Swapnil. I completed all the weeks of my course in Introduction to the Programming using Python. I also completed final project which is a Tic Tac Toe game using AI technique called Alpha-Beta Pruning. Again, my name is Swapnil. This is my GitHub URL, EDX username, and I am from India. Let's start with introduction of project. This is my main project file. This is a command line project of Tic Tac Toe game. Symbol O represent player's turn and symbol X represent AI's turn. In main function we define a board of 3 by 3. Total 9 boxes are there. Let's go through the code. Here player represent human will play as O, AI represent bot will play as X, which is basically our AI agent, and empty uses to represent unoccupied space on the board. This is our board. Board contains 3 rows and 3 columns, which is initially empty. In main function we define this board, and these are the some text formats. Welcome to Tic Tac Toe game, and you are 0 and AI is X. This is specifically tell our user, and here we call play game function. This is the main function of our program. We initialize this board as empty. Here we use join method to combine cell values and print them row by row. Here we add one separator to make them visually clear. Moves left board. In this function moves left, which is take board as an input, it will return. It will check if any moves are still available. Loops through rows and looks for empty cells. Return true if any empty cell is found. This is evaluate function, which is check for winner. In this evaluate function we are going to check for winner. It return plus 10 if AI win. It return minus 10 if player means human win. It return 0 if no one is winner still. 8. It return 0 if it return 0 if no winner 8. It will check all rows, all columns and both the diagonals. That means total 3 rows, 3 columns and 2 diagonals. That much test we need to perform to identify the winner. Alpha-Beta Pruning is optimized version of min-max. It is going to take a parameter depth, current depth of recursion, alpha, which is indicate best score AI can guarantee, beta, best score player can guarantee, is maximizing. This parameter is going to represent is an AI moves maximize score or players moves going to minimize the score. It's explore all the possible moves and prunes unnecessary branches to improve the speed. Specifically, it is improved version of min-max algorithm. Min-max algorithm is going to explore all the possible outcomes of winning the game. This algorithm going to prunes the part which is not required or which gives the minimum result. The find best move. This function is responsible for finding the best move for the AI agent, which is take a board as an input and find the coordinates of that best move for our AI agent. Play game. This is the main driver function. Grid the player, then it will print the board, takes the player input, check the player has own, AI makes moves, check if AI has own. This function will get end when any one of the player or AI win. Otherwise, if no any move is left, then also game will be draw and program will terminate. In this way our code is completed. Let's see its output. This is my test cases. This is requirement.txt file. Let's run this code. Here we enter one coordinate 0, 0, that means this cell, and it will automatically place its optimal moves. Let's enter second coordinate 0, 1, 0. Here we enter here, and this plays against us and put here his next move. Let's we play our optimal move. We are going to enter 0, 2. Here 0, 2 is here, and here he is going to play his optimal move. That means he is not going to, that means it is unbeatable. In this game a human can't win, because AI explore all the path of winning and choose the best optimal move as per the user input. Here also this is choose most optimal move, and last one final move is left, that is 2, 2, and here it is try. That means AI agent going to play the most optimal move as per to the human input. As per the human input, whatever the user enter, this is going to trace or travel all the possible paths of winning AI agent in advance, and then among that all the path it will choose which path have maximum winning probability, and then it will going to choose that coordinate and play that. So it is about my project. Thank you CS-50.